Welcome. In this video Fiqh, Islamic Jurisprudence, quiz, test your understanding. We are going to guess the 50 question. What is the minimum amount for zakat payment? $5 gold or $5.95 silver? How many rakats in Far prayer? Correct answer is 2. What invalidates wudu? Correct answer is passing gas. Eid prayer is. Correct answer is wajib. Minimum Hajj duration is. Correct answer is 3 days. Fasting is obligatory in. Correct answer is Ramadan only. What breaks fast? Correct answer is eating intentionally. Prayer times are determined by. Correct answer is sun position. Janazah prayer is. Correct answer is fard kifaya. Ghusl becomes obligatory after. Correct answer is janabah. Tayammum replaces. Correct answer is both. Minimum marriage requirements. Correct answer is consent plus witnesses. Divorce becomes final after. Correct answer is 3 talaqs. Interest is called. Correct answer is riba. Halal meat requires. Correct answer is both. Qibla direction is towards. Correct answer is Kaaba. Minimum age for prayer obligation. Correct answer is puberty. Friday prayer replaces. Correct answer is dur. Travelers shorten. Correct answer is fard prayers only. Blood donation is. Correct answer is halal. Music ruling in Islam. Correct answer is depends, scholarly differences. Gold jewelry for men is. Correct answer is haram. Minimum witnesses for business contract. Correct answer is 2. Correct answer is 1/3. Kafara for breaking oath is. Correct answer is both. Udiyah, Qurbani, is. Correct answer is Sunnah Muakkada. Tawaf during Hajj is. Correct answer is 7 rounds. Ihram requirements include. Correct answer is 2 white cloths. Sa'i between Safa Marwa is. Correct answer is 7 times. Stoning pillars represents. Correct answer is shaitan. Fidya for missed fasts is. Correct answer is feed one poor / Zakat percentage on savings is. Correct answer is 2.5%. Zakat al-Fitr amount is. Correct answer is 2.5 kilograms staple food. Prayer while sitting is allowed for. Correct answer is sick only. Combining prayers is allowed for. Correct answer is travel and necessity. Qunut in witr is. Correct answer is recommended. Sujud as saw is 4. Correct answer is both. Minimum Quran to recite in prayer. Correct answer is Al-Fatiha plus any surah. Women's aura in prayer. Answer is whole body except face / hands. Jumu'ah khutbah minimum duration. Correct answer is no minimum. Eid prayer has. Correct answer is 2 rakats. Funeral prayer has. Correct answer is 4 takbirs. Breastfeeding establishes mahram relation after. Correct answer is 5 full feeds. Waiting period after divorce, iddah. Correct answer is 3 months. Mahr, dowry, is. Correct answer is obligatory. Polygyny maximum wives. Correct answer is 4. Blood money, diya, is paid for. Correct answer is both. Islamic will excludes. Correct answer is heirs. Halal slaughter requires. Correct answer is both. Gambling is called. Correct answer is macer.